Starting November 26th, we're going to add the functionality of updating your status via the iPads. We're currently using status changes for en route, arrival, and then when you return the quarters on an incident, but we're going to add functionality during road runs and other common day occurrences. To do that, you want to click on the three lines up on the left-hand corner, where you'll see you have the ability to change your status. Click on change status, and then you have some pre-selected messages. Some of the more common would be being at the fire school or being in one of the stations if you're available because your status was something other previously, if you're out of service for mechanical issues, if you're in quarters, if you're going on a road run, or you're unavailable. If you're in a fifth due status and you're unavailable for calls, you're going to use unavailable. And when you use these status changes, you're going to click on the item. Let's say, for instance, we want to go on a road run. It's going to ask, do we want to change our status? We're going to verify yes, we want to go on a road run. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to update the status unit location? And here we could type the address. And this address would show up over here in this address bar for the telecommunicator and for the other users. So if we want to go on a road run in District 1, and then we just hit next, it'll accept that unit status change location, and it shows for this particular iPad, it's on a road run and the address is District 1. So you could type your location here. ShopRite, Kings Highway. If you're doing training at a particular street location, you can give that also, okay? Again, we're gonna start doing that in a couple of days. Just wanna make sure that I verify and show everyone that ability to change your status. And then when you wanna go back and you go in quarters, you can just hit, again, the orange in quarter button, and then it will return the unit back to in quarters.